Hey everyone, welcome back to Islander Robotics. As always, I'm Will, and today I don't got Wolfy, but Halloween's just around the corner, so I think it's time for my Halloween special. So go find your favorite candy, as well as your favorite spot, to sit back and relax, and let's get started, shall we? Hey everyone, welcome back. As you guys just saw, I've been cooking up something pretty cool for Halloween. And speaking of Halloween, I hope you guys got your favorite Halloween treat as I'm sitting here with Yaya Islander. Hey Yaya.
Hello, my sweetheart.
I got a surprise for you.
Oh yeah?
Yeah? You want to see it?
Yes.
I think you're going to like it a lot.
Okay,
Alright?
Messy.
Alright. You all kind of saw it, but she has never seen it, so let's see her reaction.
See my William. Oh, beautiful. Yes, you see?
But here's the cool...
He's doing a good job.
Here's the cool part about this one. You take a little candle like this, a little electric candle, put it in like this.
Wow.
And then it's got little tabs.
Beautiful. You did very good job.
What do you think?
Very good.
You like it, Yaya?
Yes, I know. You do a good job, always. Oh, thank you.
No worries.
Happy face.
Yeah, it's a happy face.
Mm-hmm. Thank you, William. I told you do a good job.
Alright, so this was a very simple 3D printed part. Why don't we see if we can step it up a little bit? But before we do that, Yaya, you want to say bye to everyone?
Bye, everybody.
You want to say happy Halloween, Yaya?
Happy Halloween. Trust William. William doing a good job.
Alright, I'll see you guys in a sec, alright? Now we're here with Mama Islander. You excited, Ma?
Very.
Alright, this is what I got going on. As I stated in the last one, we're going to be going a little bit bigger than what was going on with Yaya's pumpkin. We're going to actually make an Arduino board. So we got the Arduino right here, and then real quick, we're going to switch over the circuitry of this one. Alright, before me and Mama continue on, just got to point this out because the circuitry I'm using is a very unconventional circuitry. Meaning this. This is the bottom plate with the little 9-volt connector. And then it comes up to this XT30 right here and connects to this on-off switch. Now if you guys saw my last video, I really love XT60s and XT30s. In the circumstance of this, I'm using the XT30 so I can unplug the main body that has all the circuitry and everything from the on-off switch so I can take that in and out from the whole system. So now back to me and Mama. Thank you. Alright, so you guys got the little lowdown on my unconventional circuit over here. But this is a type of project usually when I come back from college I show her. So you excited to actually see these kind of what goes into these projects?
Absolutely.
Real quick, safety above all else. XT30 connections have to get soldered as well as, not soldered, hot glued, as well as the connections for the on-off switch. Normally you'd use heat shrink, but I also realize some of you guys probably don't have access to heat shrink or just don't know how to use heat shrink. So we're going to do hot glue instead, alright?
Sounds good. And probably everyone has this at home, hot glue, right?
Yeah, no, that's why I picked it. Alright, so you're going to put hot glue right here and right here. You can put it all over the place.
On the wires or the
on the metal. Okay. So the whole purpose of this is so that those wires cannot short, as well as the hot glue or heat shrink, whatever you're using, allows you to have more. The wires have more are more stable. All right, so that there's less of a chance of something breaking and shorting out that way, which is something I've done many times as well.
So the exposed wire.
Yeah, the exposed wire.
Okay. Both sides.
Mhm. Well, normally it flows over to the other side, but
there you go.
Alright, now here's the next part.
Okay.
So, what you're going to do, so also it's the same jack-o'-lantern as the last one.
Very similar to that one?
No, Yaya's.
Very similar to that?
Oh yeah, we got a boatload of jack-o'-lanterns over here. But you're going to take this Arduino Nano, you're going to hot glue it this way.
Okay,
I would suggest
Can you see that? Bring it up closer.
Alright.
Oh, we hot glued it to that.
So, we're going to hot glue this Arduino Nano just like this, alright?
Here we go. Let's go. On bottom.
Yeah. You can just put it wherever you want. Now, could I have use some brass inserts and screw these all in? Yes, but I'm trying to show you guys a different way. You know, more of a MacGyver way of doing all this kind of stuff. So
Right here, Will?
you can put it, yeah. Well, I put it more centered.
Oh, so center it.
So you're gonna want to center it like that, Mom.
Yep.
You're gonna want a little more hot glue.
All right, here we go. Hold it down for me. Okay.
All right. So, real quick, you're gonna take this switch and put it into this hole.
The toggle?
Yeah.
Oh.
Now, these STLs are going to be available on Thingiverse and going to be down in the description below. But I also realized you guys are not going to have the same toggle switches as me. So, what you guys should do instead is get a, you guys are going to want to take a drill and then make this hole bigger. Got the switch in. Next part is you're going to take these little lights and you're going to hot glue them over here.
Right there? Here we go.
Both sides. Just
right.
like that.
Hold it in place.
Put it over right there.
Okay.
So, right there, like that one. Now, some of you guys may be wondering if the hot glue will make the whole system short out. No, it's plastic. So, hot glue is completely safe to use with raw electronics just like this. So, we're going to actually start hooking up the wires for this. But you guys are going to take a look at the code, alright? Alright, so here's the lowdown on the code. There's going to be a section up here you guys can't see, but that is completely fine. First things first is we have to download the library that we're going to be using. There's a tab up above called Sketch. Click that. Include library. Manage libraries. Wait for it to load. Go into the search bar and click in NEO for Neo, not I. Enter. And then not this one, not this one, not this one. This one. I already have it installed, but if you don't have it installed, it's just going to be something like this. So, continue on to the next part. We go over to File, Examples, Adafruit NeoPixel. Click on Simple, bigger. Now, what we're going to be doing is essentially just keeping everything exactly the same. We're going to be using 2 lights, but we're going to keep the pin as 6. All right, but both the lights are going to be considered 0 in the array. Now the next part we got to change is we got to come over to here, 255, 255, and 255. That is because that is the RGB code for white. We're not going to change the I, like I said. Both the lights are going to be considered array 0. And since as it's stepping up through the array, it doesn't turn them off, those 2 lights are never going to turn off in that array. So we're just going to keep it like it is. Come over to here, hit upload, and then it's going to upload, and then now back to me and Mama. As you guys may have noticed in the code, these pins are going to all the same pin. So what you're going to want to do is I have the green as data in. So brown is going to go to ground, right, like this. So you can go to this ground right here. And then the red's going to go to 5 volts because these are 5 volt, I believe 550s. It's just a fancy word for LEDs. Types of LEDs. And then this one's going to go...
What do you mean this one?
This green data in wire is going to go into this one.
Which is?
D6.
D6?
Yeah.
Wow. Red goes to where now?
5 volts.
5. All right. Okay. What color is that?
Brown's going to ground on this side.
How do you know it's ground?
Because it's black.
All right.
Alright. So, Wonder Woman's in my way now magically. Thanks to the power of video editing. But just tighten these.
Bless you.
Right, like that, Mom.
Yep.
And then
Where's the green go to?
green's data.
Where is it? Someone needs to clean their beard better. Some crumbs there, huh? Yeah.
So this black's going to this ground.
Yep. All right. Oh, Supergirl wants to go. So, well, how would I know that's ground?
It says
ground?
GND.
Gotcha.
Ground. So when you see GND, it means ground.
Gotcha. And where'd that go?
This is going in the same spot.
Which is green?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's going to go the same as the other green.
Gotcha.
Because in the code, I didn't change anything in the code from Adafruit. So I'm just using the same pins, but I can have multiple lights hooked up to the same port and be considered 0. So.
Learn something new.
And then you're going to, so this is the part no. So what you have to do is, this is going into the VN right there.
Go ahead, do it.
Alright, so we all wired up now.
Check.
So the next thing is going to be, you're taking this, and this is the part you're going to.
What is that?
This is a 9 volt. You're going to take a 9 volt battery.
Yep, yep.
Hook it up like this.
Hook it? Oh.
Click it in.
Click it in, alright.
You're going to take hot glue, Mom.
There we go.
And you're going to put it all, you're going to put it on this edge, and this edge,
Okay.
but not the top one.
Okay, here we go. Ooh, problem. Please.
Alright.
I want you to do it. Oh, oops. Danger. And then.
Now take this.
Mm-hmm.
Close it on.
Yeah. Oh, I love it.
And there we go.
Okay.
So.
Then connect it. Click.
So.
Toggle.
This is how it's going to go in. So it's going to come all together just like this.
Love it.
Alright. Ma, you ready?
Yep, here we go. Show them. Can you see that? Turn it off and on. Watch. There we go. Happy Halloween, everyone. Please be safe and social distance and lots of candy.
Alright. So, you happy with your pumpkin, Ma?
Love it.
Yeah?
Love it.
You got to see how when I come home from college and I give you all those presents.
My wall of figurines made from William.
Alright. So, you want to say bye to everyone?
Bye. Thank you for having me.
No worries.
Cool. Till next time.
Alright, so you guys saw Yaya's reaction and Mama's reaction. And all three of us had so much fun making this stuff for you guys this week. Just really want to say thank you, Mama, and thank you, Yaya, for helping me out this week and helping me create this for you all. As promised earlier in the video, both jack-o'-lanterns are going to be on Thingiverse, but I do have some pointers before I sign off. The one that had the candle holder, do not use a real candle. Use an electronic candle if you decide to print this jack-o'-lantern out, alright? A real candle will melt the plastic, and an electronic candle will not, alright? Also, the one that me and Mom worked on, the STL is going to be on Thingiverse. However, there is going to be a slight difference. And that is, we're going to use the same exact pumpkin, sorry. The one that has the candle is going to be the same one as representation. But I'm talking about the one that me and Mom worked on. It is going to be a solid base. There's not going to be a battery bay in the back. And it will have these tabs so that you guys have an idea of where the tabs are. But I want you guys to use that jack-o'-lantern and this base. I want you guys to view it as a empty canvas and just let your creativity go wild and have a lot of fun. And if you do decide to 3D print the one that me and Mom worked on, I'm not going to leave you guys hanging. All the stuff that me and Mom used to create that is going to be down in the description bar below. The Arduino, the toggle switches, the filament, the lights is going to be down in the description down below, alright? So that it gives you guys an idea of what you can use, alright? You guys can honestly use whatever you want. Whatever you do come up with if you use this pumpkin and you post on Instagram, hashtag Islander_robotics so that I can see what you guys post. I heard down the grapevine that my 3rd grade teacher, Miss Hall, is now a subscriber. Just really want to say thank you and hi. I really want to say hi. So leave a comment down below, Miss Hall. As well as I'm not gonna leave my other subscribers out. New and old, thank you guys so much for hitting that like and that share button. Really helps support this channel. And until next week, bye. Happy Halloween too. Like I think we might have to do that.
Looks good. All right.
We're gonna have to do that.
Looks good. Looks good.
But you can't. The threads aren't out.
We'll hot glue it for now. Should get our capes on superheroes.
That might be overkill, Mom.
All right, gotta do it with my glasses on.
Alright, opening this up a little bit more.
Yeah. Unscrewing it.
Yeah.
Clockwise or counterclockwise?
The normal way.
Well, to open it, right?
Well, then I can.
Case, come on. Come on back. Shall we redo this whole video?
I don't think you have the patience for that.
I do. Peace out. We'll have to do all the mess up. Anyways, we're back.
The bloopers?
Yeah, bloopers. This is